Hello everyone, it's Teacher M, Homebase Tutorial. Today, meron tayong tutorial schedule. I am teaching alphabet, sound, writing, and arts. Wherein we are going to make an artwork in letter F. I am with my 3 years old cutie, which is Zach. He is very active and attentive in every lesson and activity we do. Nakakataba talaga ng puso kapag yung student mo ay eager na matuto. Look how active he is. They are not only learning from me, but also I am learning from them too to become more productive every day. Sabi nga, one step at a time, walang shortcut. Kaya sa mga naghahanap ng home-based tutor for your kids, just DM me. I can teach all subject in a very affordable price. Yun lang. Thank you!